Guys, so today we are going to cover this ngFor. So first, what we can do, we can create the project. So it will create in the background, and then we'll discuss what we need to be covered today. Okay. So first we can create the project. So CMD. In the CMD, first we have to focus on our drive, and then we need to be look the folder of Angular 20. Inside the Angular 20, I want to create the project. Ng new day 15. Day 15 is my project, so it will create the project for us. So it's creating the project, so we'll discuss now. So in Angular, ngFor is why it is required. It is also the structural directives, right? So why it is required? Whenever you need to be loop the data, right? So suppose you're having any array or you're having any list and you want to loop through the data, right? Whatever the data you have in the array or whatever the data you have in the list, and you want to apply the loop. So using ngFor, you can apply the loop. So if you see the syntax also here, right? I have mentioned the syntax like div and ngFor lets item for the items, and I'm looping the items till the end, right? So it is the syntax to be achieve the ngFor. So here items is nothing but your array. In the array, whatever the index 0, index 1 or index 2, you have apple, banana, mango, right? And item is each element for the array. So we'll do this demo, so you will be able to understand once we will do this in the VS Code. It's creating the project dependencies. So it's basically depends upon the internet speed. Maybe I'm not having that much internet speed right now. That's why it is taking time. But if you have fast internet, then it won't take that much of time to be cover this dependencies and creating the projects. So next video onwards, what I can do, I can already uh, create the project, and then I will start explaining those concepts. Okay, so I will skip the like creating part, and I will start from the in the VS Code onwards. Okay, because it is time killing process, right, to create the project, and then it's taking some time I think it's in the final stage now. Yes. So it's created. So what I need to do, I need to move to the project folder cd day 15. So in the day 15, I want to open this project in the code VS Code, right? So we need to write the command code space star dot. Then we need to click on enter. It will open our code on VS Code. So now if you see, right, so we have the VS Code, right? In the VS Code we have a SRC folder. In the SRC folder we have the default folder structure, and we are looking this app.ts and app.html. So in app.html we have existing code which we are going to be removed from here. So we'll remove this code and we'll save this, and in the ts TypeScript we will remove this one also. We'll save this. Okay, and now if you see, right, we are going to be like have one fruits array, and then in the HTMLs we want to write loop through this array, right? We will loop and we will show the array items. So for that purpose we have this unordered list. We'll take this unordered list, and we are utilizing this ngFor, right? So we'll see to run this output. We need to type the ngServe. Once you click on the ngServe, it is going to launch the application. So as it is showing warnings, right? So what we need to do, we need to be include one common module package. So we need to import first here. common module we have to include this. So now if you see here, right, this will work fine for us. So you will be able to see the unordered list which we are going to be looped, right? We have in array some of the items which we are going to show here. So if you see in our list, we have apple, banana, mango, and orange. So it's working as expected. Okay. So now we have another example which we are going to see. Uh, whenever you want to be show your list with your index, right? That time what you need to do, you need to write your code in such a way you have to get some index. So if you see here we are writing ngFor let's fruits of fruits let I is equal to index, and then you have this interpolations with this interpolations you are I plus 1 and dot fruits. So if you run this, you will be able to see the index also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So by default it is start from 0, right? So we are adding I plus 1. That's why it is showing 1, 2, 3 or 4. If you remove this like if you remove this 1, then you should be able to see the actual 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. So another example is what? Last example, whenever you will want to utilize your object, right? So we need to work with the objects also, right? So suppose you have some objects in your TypeScript. I will take this student objects inside our TypeScript. So in the student we have list of the items, right? And name, Vishwa, age is this, name is this, age is this. So we have 3 rows in the objects, right? So now I want to loop through these objects. So what do you need to do? You need to have this unordered list. So what we are doing here, like we are looping this student objects, and then we have student.name and student.age. So if you know, right, how to access the student is the objects, right, and we want to show the name and age, right? So we can achieve this like this. So if you see here, Vishwa is 24 years and Anita is 22 years, Rahul is 23 years. So that's it for ngFor. So you can have many number of the like items which you can loop through these 3 things. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and please do practice, and if you like my video please subscribe, and we'll discuss at the rate 4 in the next coming videos. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.